Good morning, everybody. Beautiful Alabama day today. I want to do a quick little video on this 2012 Ram 3500. How to change your turn signal bulb. It's not too complicated a process. Take you about 10 minutes, but knowing where the bolts are ahead of time helps out. You got three 10mm bolts. You got one right there. And you got another one right down here. Gotta get that flashlight just right to see that. This is more complicated it looks for this flashlight. It's right there. I don't know if you can see that or not with the light, but right there where the laser is. So them two bolts, and you got one right back here. Take this little flap out here. And then you got that bolt right there. Right there. And it's a 3057 dual element bulb, so get your bulb ready beforehand. It's got a little clip back here that just pops right out. In this case, I didn't even have to take the whole headlight assembly out. I just leaned it out to the side here. But I hope that helps somebody out, knowing where them bolts are beforehand before you start the job helps a whole lot. Hope y'all have a beautiful day.